Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y36t with dual ring design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display. Resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 89.64% screen-to-body ratio, 20.15:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 528 nits brightness, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.39 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options emerald green, space black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, 150% loud volume support, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y36t has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 799 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y36t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.